Hi everyone, welcome to Tutorials by David, and in this video, it will help you how to set up your VPN on an Eero router. So you want to set up a VPN on your Eero router, and here's how to do it. So I will give you four options, but take note that Eero routers don't have native VPN support, so this means that you can just install a VPN app directly in the Eero itself. So here are the options. Use a VPN on your devices. So this one, you will install your VPN on your phone, laptop, or smart TV directly. The easiest setup, but only protects the devices with the app installed. Next one is run VPN on your modem or upstream router. You must place a VPN compatible router in front of your Eero, in between your modem and the Eero, and then configure the VPN on that router so all the traffic passing into the Eero network is encrypted. This one is good if you want all the devices protected without configuring each one. Last option is that use a VPN router in bridge mode so that keep Eero as your main mesh system and add a dedicated VPN router like bridge mode for devices you want routed through the VPN. It will this option will let you choose which devices use VPN versus normal internet. So the summary for this is that you can directly install a VPN on an Eero, but you can protect your network using either a VPN-enabled upstream router or installing VPN apps on individual devices.